As a child, I grew up watching Fireball XL5 on the television. And I think how the characters really interacted with technology, with machines, kindled my first interest in the STEM field. And I think that's how I pursued my education in the engineering field and then further made a career out of it. As I took up my first role onto the shop floor, the initial 2 years were quite challenging. The acceptability was limited. And I think the main reasons were, first of all, not being able to speak in the colloquial language, and then being the women manager, the acceptability was, poor because of that. As I started really, understanding the product well, process well, started contributing towards, my role on the shop floor, and that's how slowly the acceptability started coming in. And I think though I was judged all the time, I started getting support from all my male colleagues. Over the years, women in the engineering field have steadily increased. Though we are still not there, there is a long way to go. But I think we are appreciable in numbers as of now. But I think as we go towards our mid-career and the responsibilities in the family starts increasing, that's where we tend to take a back seat or tend to move away from our aspiration to take up leadership roles. And I think that this is the place where organizations can really play a big role by putting in various strategies like work from home, flexi work, also reskilling as the women come back to their full-time jobs will help in a big way to retain women in the engineering roles.